How to test for hardware failures in a computer. First, click on the Windows search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Type Performance Monitor in the search bar. From the search results, click on the Performance Monitor app. Once it opens, you will see the system summary on the main screen. In the left side panel, click on Performance Monitor, and a progress graph will appear. Next, on the left side, click on Reports, then expand System, and select System Diagnostics to check the system statistics. After that, close the Performance Monitor. Now, let's open another tool to monitor memory. Type MD-SCED in the Windows search bar and open the Windows Memory Diagnostic app. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC will restart, and the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool will begin checking for hardware issues. This test may take several minutes, so please be patient. You will be able to see the status during the scan. If any problems are detected, the tool will show a message. After the scan is complete, Windows will start normally. And that's it. It wasn't hard at all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.